everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how I became the biggest virtual influencer in the world.
Magalu, Brazil's biggest retailer, believes that brands need to become creators to avoid being disadvantaged on social platforms. That's why Magalu turned Lu, its virtual assistant created in 2003, into its virtual influencer. In recent years, Magalu has invested and boosted her career, making her a celebrity of pop culture. Last year, she was unstoppable and reached the top. She performed in a real-life music video with Anitta, and every outfit in the video was sold out on our app. She was featured in a virtual world clip with DJ Alok and sold out all the items used in the clip. She was also live on TV shows with Fortnite's cutting-edge technology. She's been hired and created content for some of the world's greatest brands, being the first virtual personality ever designed by Red Bull's official illustrator. She stole the show in the fashion world by being on the cover of Vogue magazine. She's also done a lot of amusing activities, especially dancing, and she danced a lot. Her engagements and reach numbers are off the charts. People don't simply follow her, they love her. Her success is driving meaningful engagement with our brand throughout her social channels, and she's becoming an important asset to our company.